Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking to get that perfect angle on trim or molding for your project at home? Then you've got to get a pair of these miter shears from GARTOL. There's a couple things about this particular set that I think are just outstanding. The first one is that it has ratchet functionality, and this makes it so much easier on my wrist. It also has a lock on it, so the blade on this is pretty heavy duty, and I like having the lock because that eliminates the possibility that I might accidentally cut myself on it. Now, of course, these will handle much more than the vinyl and PVC that I've been cutting. They work so well on any kind of wood trim that you want to do. Notice how quickly my husband can cut through this dowel. He was so impressed. In fact, he was like, oh my goodness, I can't believe how easy that was. He's had to cut angles before and just had difficulty with it using a saw. Now he knows how easy it's going to be for all the projects I have for him with these miter shears because you can get the perfect angle and they just work so well. These shears are amazing. You can get any of the angles that you need for exactly the corners that you're trying to get into, or you can just cut on a 90-degree also. I just love having them for the projects that we have and will have in our home, and that's my point of view.